Can you name the 11 major organ systems? You've got 5 seconds on the clock. How many can you answer? Let's find out. Here's the first one. Cardiovascular system or circulatory system. The second question is here. Digestive system. Third one. Integumentary system. Fourth question. It is the respiratory system. Fifth question. Skeletal system. Identify this organ system. Urinary system. Seventh question. Reproductive system. Here is the next. Muscular system. Next one is a bit difficult. Endocrine system is made of glands. 10th question. Nervous system. The final question. Lymphatic system consists of lymph nodes, spleen, and thymus. And finally, one more. Immune system, which is not considered an organ system, but a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against infections. Comment your score below. Thank you.